River Lily here. So I wanted to show you that I had started working on another birdhouse or fairy house, whatever you want to call it. And all I had used so far is pine needles, tacky glue, Mod Podge, and a brush, which is pretty gross right now. And I applied a layer of glue, working in layers, obviously, to both sides. And then as I was applying the glue, I'd take a pinch of the pine needles and go over it on the glue, and then I'd press it all down like this, all the way around until it was completely covered. After that, I'd give it a little tap, shake off all the excess, and then I allowed it to dry. Once it was done drying, I applied the Mod Podge, and again I had to allow that to dry. So it's not finished yet, but I wanted to show you what I was doing and how I was doing it. I didn't really want to sit here with the camera on it as I was doing it, because that tends to get long and it might be a little boring listening to me try to find things to talk about as I'm applying pine needles to the house. But that's a sneak peek, a little bit of a preview. As I get more done, I'll be more than happy to show you what I've done and how I did it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, like and subscribe, please. Bye-bye.